Anuj, thanks very much. Well, Anuj, you're wrapping up the equity market action for us. But as I mentioned, the Indian rupee has also been under pressure today, and that is on account of the dollar strengthening globally. Latha stands by now to take us through what's happening in the currency market. Latha.
That's right. It's not so much a rupee weakness story as a dollar strength story. Globally, that index has gone back to 108 plus, a level we saw way back in mid-July. And that's because of the risk aversion and therefore the going back to safe haven asset, which is the dollar. Risk aversion coming on the eve of Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole, which is scheduled on Thursday. The market's fear is that he may sound more hawkish than what the market is forecasting at this point in time. It's forecasting a cut sometime in 2023, and it's quite possible that Chairman Powell may scotch those expectations. What we have seen is actually weakness across, and you'll have been speaking about it, the Chinese yuan has gone to 6.8. That's because there were, of course, rate cuts in China. Euro has gone below parity. And all EM currencies over the last 2 trading days have lost at least 1% vis-a-vis the dollar. So basically, again, a dollar strength story. In India itself, people had gone, of course, seriously short the dollar versus the rupee. So there was a bit of a positioning. And you saw as the rupee moved towards 79.90 towards the dollar, the Reserve Bank came in and supplied a lot of dollars. So it looks like the Reserve Bank is still protecting that 80 mark. But there are other factors that are also protecting the rupee. Crude price is much lower than what it was a month ago when the rupee had gone to 80. Likewise, FPI flows, foreign flows, are much higher than what they were a month ago. But the rupee will remain vulnerable to global ebbs and flows of the dollar. We have to wait really for Thursday to see whether the tide changes.
Right, we will have to wait to see. Latha, many thanks for joining us. Well, that wraps up the stock and currency market action for you. We are going to take a break, but don't go anywhere. When we return, a very special conversation that we have with a man who has been witness to the changes in India's manufacturing story. R.C. Bhargava, the chairman of Maruti Suzuki, will join us after this very short break.